So I bought this Singer sewing machine last week on July 11th, and it's from 1901. And this little box here, this little wooden box that came with it, it has attachments to the sewing machine. But the sewing machine is a Singer, 1901 Singer, and that little puzzle box is what it's called. That's from 1889. But since I brought it home, some strange things have been happening, which strange things happen in our home anyway, because I have a lot of antiques. But I thought I would get out the dead bell, the cat ball, and the EMF and see if there's any energy attached to it and get any activity on these devices. So, is there any energy or anyone attached to this sewing machine? If so, could you ring that bell or light up that cat ball or the EMF meter? Are you able to do that? Oh, okay. Thank you. Could you light up that cat ball for me that's sitting on the table there? Are you able to light that up for me? All you have to do is touch it and it'll light up. Oh, wait a minute. It might help if I turn it on. That would be useful. Okay. That was me turning it on. And we'll wait for it to go off. Okay, could you light up that cat ball for me? Can you touch that and just make it light up? Or either light up the EMF meter. Could you ring the bell for me again? Are you still here? Thank you. Are you able to use your energy and light up the lights on the EMF meter? That's the little device. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Can you light up the EMF meter for me? That's the one with the lights. Could you light that up for me? The man that we bought this sewing machine from, he said his wife had passed away a few months ago. So I don't know if it's her energy attached to this or, this sewing machine's over 124 years old, so it could be anyone from years ago. I don't wish you any harm or disrespect. I'm just trying to communicate with you. Are you the one that's been doing all the weird things around the house? The knocks and the bangs and the door closing and... Thank you. Thank you for communicating with me.